Hello, welcome to CargoLink System Booking tutorial. First of all, go to the link skylist.cargolink.aero/login/index.aspx. You can find it in the video description. Enter user and password, same as CargoLink desktop system. Go to Booking and select Booking Online. Set the airwheel number and click on Go button. Press Go. System will show automatically the airwheel origin and agent. Select in origin the same city as shown before. Setting shipper and consignee is not mandatory, so we can let it blank or set information, but it's not necessary to do it and it will not be useful in next steps, so I'll let it blank. Click on Booking Details button. In the next window, we can select source if booking is requested by web, phone, or email, cargo type, type of product or commodity. I'm gonna select general. Priority, depending on the cargo type, it will be filling automatically, but can be changed. Weight unit, I will let it in kilos. Dimension unit, I will let it in inches. You can check here if your cargo is dangerous goods. In this case, I won't do it. You can type notes and also nature of goods. Then go to Booking Detail. It's not mandatory to set a shipper. Usually we don't do it. In quantity, set the number of pieces. In Book By, we must select a type. General for usual cargo. Full for flowers when using fulls. Or position. When in the plane, several positions are going to be used. When you select General, in Book By, there will be a magnifying glass here that allows us to set, in case of having that scenario, different dimensions for each piece or set of pieces. You can see here, for example, and it calculates a volume. Here it is. If it's not the case, general dimensions can be set at the lower part and system will calculate volume. In this case, I will let it like this. In the next booking, I will work with the general volume. In weight, we set the total cargo weight. In pallet, we set the quantity of pallets that are going to be used for that airwheel, but this information is not mandatory. Notice that if you set a number of pallets, the flight that is going to be selected must have enough free pallets or won't be shown. In remarks, we can type any additional information about the cargo. Once we have all detailed information set, click on Add Detail button and it will be shown in the lower part. If there is any error in the detailed information, we can click on Edit button and change the set information. Once we made the changes, click on OK button. If you want to delete the detailed information, click on Delete button and it will be deleted. Here is Delete button. Once we have all correct information set, click on Book On button. In the new window, we can select airway bill destination, the date since we're going to search for the flight. In the next N days, you can set more days. We can set the number of stops, and max time between the stops. In the cases of connection flights, in this example we're working with a non-stop flight. System will bring the rate that was already set on Cargolink desktop system, here. But if there's none, or if it's needed, we can also create from here a spot rate. I will put a spot here. Once all information is set, click on Search button. All available flights will be shown for selected origin and destination. Check on the flight that will be used. Click on Booking Confirm button. System will show a window with the summary of the booking registered. To keep registering bookings, click on New Booking button. Otherwise, click on Back to Menu button to go back to the main menu. In this case, we'll click on New Booking button because we're going to register another booking. We're going to follow the same steps we did before with the previous airway bill. But in this case, as you can see, we have an interline airway bill. And in this case, we have to select which is the agent we're going to work with depending on the origin city of the airway bill. Select the correct agent and click on OK button. We're going to select the one that is in Miami. Select OK button. Click on Booking Detail now. Select cargo type. In this case, I'm going to select hazmat, which is dangerous good. Type a note and nature of goods. Set the detailed information. Now I'm going to work with the general volume. Click on Add Detail. And then click on Book On button. In this case, we have a flight with two sections. In these cases, for Search the Flight, we need to set 1 in stops. And in max hours in a stop, we must add some more. For example, set 24 instead of 12. Click on Search button and System will show all available flights. This is important. You need to set the destination and date, because if you don't, there won't be any flight. Press Search. And System shows all available flights. Check on the flight that will be used and click on Booking Confirm button. System will show a window with a summary of the booking registered. To keep registering bookings, as we did before, click on New Booking button. Otherwise, click on Back to Menu button to go back to the main menu. And that's it. That's all for the tutorial for bookings in Cargolink system.